What's up, It's your boy Damien Dupee back at you, number one off-market land specialist. You are now tuned into We Are Land Specialists. If you could be so kind, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any epic wild content. I'm coming smack at you every Wednesday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, every Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, with the world's greatest content. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Vacant Land Cheat Sheet Part 3. I'm going to be giving you a free PDF download. And basically, this is a little bit more in-depth on basically a question that sellers always ask is, how does it work? Okay, they want to know, how does the closing transaction work? How does the closing process works? And you basically want to be able to answer this question with ease, with confidence, to not cause any type of delay in putting properties under contract or earning sellers' business. Okay, so I do want to thank you for your time and consideration. This is a great opportunity to serve you, and you. I thank you for all the love, all the support, all the DMs, all the comments. I will have a JV program coming out soon where you can partner with your boy if you choose to. If you're having troubles getting traction, I'm hopefully be able to streamline that for you. So without further ado, let's jump right in and let's go over the script on how does it work. Hopefully you can see my screen by now. And basically, the sellers typically want to know before they sign any contract. Again, our customer base typically with Vacant Land are an older generation. They're not really familiar with. Some of them don't really use the internet that much. They don't really use the computer. Some of them don't have email addresses. So you want to be ever so mindful of this when you're talking to people. Please know that you have to take your time with the elderly. Please be generous to the elderly. Bless their socks off. Okay, look out for the cookout. You dig? All right. And one of the questions I get a lot is, how does it work? Okay. And typically, you would say something like, typically we will enter into a purchase and sell agreement with you. Basically, it will say you will sell and we will buy at our offer price and we will close in 45 days or less. We will submit that a contract to our attorney so she or he can run a title search. While she or he is running a title search, we have to do some due diligence on your land. Once our due diligence is complete and the title work has been completed by our attorney, you will be contacted to finalize the settlement. Our attorney can send you the settlement documents with instructions, which will have to be signed in front of a notary public. There are two ways to get your proceeds, via wire transfer or check. You can discuss this with our attorney. Settlement cost is covered by us. The offer will be coming from DocuSign, which enables you to sign the contract digitally or electronically. That ain't even spelled right, Lord Jesus. Digitally, that might be. And once completed, it will send you a signed copy via PDF to your email. Again, ladies and gentlemen, this is typically what I use in my business. You might have to adjust this for your business model, your closing timelines, but I have found people to ask the frequently asked questions quite a bit. How long will it take you to close? Of course, if you quote them 45 days or less, make sure you update it over here where it says approximately 45 days or less. Who will pay the closing costs? We have already covered that over here. How long have you been in the business? You want to say something like, if you're new, it seems like forever. If they say literally like how long, you want to say, me and my partner have been focused on vacant land for a little over 2.5 years. You can partner with me. I can be your partner for this instance. And where are you located? Pay attention. Don't lie to people, telling them, you know, I'm located here. If they ask you, where you located? If you're located in Charlotte, North Carolina, and you're looking for deals in Texas, don't tell them people you're in Texas, because some people will ask you, can you come to their house and bring the contract? If you're in Charlotte, man, you either gonna have to run fast. I don't know how you're gonna do it. Catch a plane, drive your car. You're gonna need something like a Lear jet to get there. You hear me? But keep it 100 down when people. Tell them, hey, I'm physically located in Charlotte, North Carolina. However, my partner, which is your builder, is located in Texas, and that works. Just be honest with people. So that's kind of it. What I had for you. If you want a link to this, if you need a link in the description, if you want to access to this PDF, I have dropped it in the description. I have a lot of content, ladies and gentlemen, on finding deals. If you have something that I have not covered and you want me to cover something, please go ahead and drop that in the comments. Again, if you are new to my channel, there's a couple ways you can connect to me. You can connect to me via email. My email is in the description, Damien@creativelandsolutions.com. If you want to join our community, we are land specialists. You can go ahead and get in that Facebook group. If you want to dive a little deeper and you want to take my free course on Udemy, the link is in the description. Okay. If you want to connect with me on Instagram, my IG handle is We Are Land Specialists. Also, I go by DamienDupee.ceo. Okay. And that is just a couple ways where you can get plugged in. You can get connected to me. And last but not least, I'm very excited about I'm launching a joint venture program where you will be able to find opportunities and I can find the buyers and we can do a 50-50 joint venture split if you're open to that. Again, I just wanted to put that out there. All the tools that I use are in the description. They are affiliate links. I want to keep it 100 with you. Okay, but you get charged nothing. These companies that I partner with, they kick me back a little something. Every little bit adds up, ladies and gentlemen. So please, if you are getting value from my channel, please consider using my affiliate links in the bottom. Again, if you want to sow a gift to me, my information is at the bottom, my Cash App, all that good stuff. If you want to send me a gift, no, it's all good. Thank you for everyone who has been showing me support. Thank you for everyone that has been reaching out. I do value these relationships that I am. I'm learning how to, connect with each and every one of you in your own unique and special way. So again, I'm still on a mission to help 1,000+ people do their first land deals. So if you know anyone looking to do a land deal, or if you know anybody who can't get traction in the real estate and they're looking to do deals, send them my way. I'll take good care of them. I'll bless their socks off. Okay. I just want to release a blessing over you. Bless you, bless your children, their children, and their children. And thank you so much. And I appreciate you.